Tilray Brands, ticker symbol TLRY. Is it undervalued? Is it good time to buy? Well, I've always said anything under $2 is a good entry point. It's 173. However, it's not making any money right now, is it? Let's be honest. It's all about this. Yep. It's all about tomorrow, the US election. We're going to cover it live. Both parties, Republican and Democratic Party, have both said it's on their agenda to get it done. It went a bit quiet, though. We thought for a moment it was all going to get passed and it would be part of the election battle, who was going to push it through quicker. But there's been some hiccups along the way. However, that's presented opportunity. I was just looking at the valuation and all the numbers for it. I'm not going to share it with you in this video. It's only a short video because there isn't anything great to say right now. There's nothing to talk about. Earnings is a way off. There's no real news. There's nothing that exciting. But what we do have is the Trump trade, or we have the Kamala trade election trade tomorrow. Now, we are going to cover the earnings tomorrow. Expect volatility in all of these stocks because markets like certainty. They don't like uncertainty, and we could have a result a week away. It could take as long as that. If Donald Trump loses, he could then contest it. We could go on for quite a while. So that presents opportunity, which I love. I have got no issue with that whatsoever. I hope the market does crash 30% because I'll buy as much S&P as I can put my hands on. Absolutely right. So anyway, tomorrow we're going to cover it live. Expect volatility tomorrow and expect movement in this stock. There'll be a lot of movement in DJT. There'll be a lot of movement in Bitcoin. There'll be a lot of movement in Tilray Brands. And of course, there'll be movement in all stocks tomorrow. But particularly on Wednesday, the FOMC report, and we're covering that live as well. You might want to join us for that. So what do I think? Tilray Brands, is it worth buying? Well, of course, I'm not a gambler or a speculator, which is what it is right now, but I am an investor. I wouldn't buy this stock. I have to be honest right now, not because I don't believe in it. I believe if we get full rescheduling, which I believe we will, it's a $40 stock. No question. However, when will that happen? If you park your money for 5 years, you could have made it just in the S&P over the time, right? No one knows how long it's going to take. Will it all fizzle out after the election and people won't get it pushed through? I don't think so. I think this is going to happen. I said it would happen by the election, but that never happened. I was wrong there. I really thought somebody would get behind it and use it as some sort of incentive to vote for us. We're going to declassify that. We're going to reschedule this. But anyway, but it will present opportunity. Are you a trader of this stock? Are you an investor of this stock? You can make money either way. I've made 19 trades over in October and won 19 times. Ended up with 5.5 free shares of the S&P for simply trading. And I showed you how I did that on a video this morning. Go and check that out. It's called 6X. I 6X'd the stock market. Go and check it out. Anyway, this is tomorrow. FOMC report. We'll cover it live. Join us for this as well. You might want to be part of it. Could be a big day tomorrow. But Tilray Brands is very volatile at the moment. It doesn't really have any intrinsic value. It's not really making any money at the moment. It's a sleeper, basically. It's a sleeper. But it hasn't really gone any lower, has it? It's been hovering around this level all the time. I would love to share some positive news with you, but there really isn't. We've talked about the news before about someone has brought it to Congress. We've done that. It's not gone anywhere. So I don't want to repeat old news that's just going round and round and everybody gets excited about nothing and it goes back down again. We want some real news that will actually drive the stock up to at least $4 or $5. But it won't take much. A good bit of news on the election or volatility, there's a rumor of something, then, you know, we're at $5-6 quite quickly and at $40 with rescheduling. What do you think? If you like this content, please do tap the like button. We're just about to ring the bell, and consider subscribing to the channel. We've got Palantir earnings tonight after hours. We'll be covering it in a minute. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I shall put the Tilray Brands. Sorry, what? I'll put the election and the FOMC report as well. 2 live events, Tuesday and Wednesday, 5th and 6th of November. And you might want to check out my music channel as well. I've just done a tribute to Quincy Jones, who sadly passed away this morning. I recorded a song for him and the family and friends and fans of Quincy Jones. That's it from me. Good luck, everyone in Tilray Brands. I'd love to give more information, but that's all we have. It's a sleeper, nothing at the moment. You want to bet on it with the election? Let's see what happens tomorrow. Take care of yourselves and each other.